We're going to be continuing our heat map adventure. I want our PyTorch module to be visualized nicely, and I'm going to add some to-dos here for our task today. Let's see, create a package for PyPI. What else? We could got a couple other things to do in here. Is everything set up on the right? I think we're just good to go. Oh, we need to add more gradients and themes and things like that. All right, that's another one. More gradient themes. Lots of fun things in there. Okay, we got a good plan for today. We got a good plan. I like this. All right. So let me think about this for a second. So I think we're just gonna cd heater. I think we could do that. Cd heater. Can I do git init here? Or is it gonna say, no, you can't do that? Oh, let me, okay. Then we need to gitignore. We're gonna get rid of our Py cache. Like that. Where do we wanna go? I wanna create a new repo. Let's create a new repo. GitHub, create new repository. There we go. I'm gonna say Steven. Okay, this is gonna be called the PyTorch repository name. PyTorch. What do we call this here? Hey, Steven Zergio. Hey, good to see you. Welcome on in. Happy Wednesday. We have the same time. Dylan, no way, really? Dylan, wait, Dylan. See, so I'm in Seattle. Wow. So we're somewhere on the west coast. We're in the west coast. Hey, Epic Bloxpo, good to see you. Welcome on in. Happy Wednesday. Good to have you guys here today. Yo, what's everyone? Late night vibes over here too, Loons. Hey, all right, sounds good. We call this the TUI. Let's see. I don't know what to call. It's gonna be called heater. Let's call it heater. Heater. Although I feel like it needs more. A PyTorch tensor visualization that displays a heat map from a 2D tensor or a matrix. All right, that sounds good. Public create repo. Let's copy our repository here. Git push origin main. All right, we've got our code now. I need to add a readme. Readme.md. This is going to be a PyTorch heat map visualizer for 2D tensors matrix. 2D tensor matrix. 2D tensor matrix. Perfect. Okay. And then we need some examples and screenshots, and it's got to look pretty. We're going to do all the things, right? So let's see here. And we need 3. We should call this Python. And then I'm going to copy some of the examples over here. I've got this. And we don't have lightness anymore. We just won't have lightness. We're just going to say theme heat map. The default would be... We'll just do this. We'll just do this. Okay, so where are we here? I'm going to try running this again and make sure it still runs. It looks good, right? It looks good. There it is. Okay, perfect. So what I can do is I can take a screenshot of that. Okay. Let me copy these things here really quick. We'll do... Did we do that? Did we get there? I might have missed a keystroke there. There we go. Okay. All right, so now we've got this. Hey, LST Frosty, welcome on in. Yeah, we're doing Python. Yep, we got the Python. Good symbol there. Epic Bloxpo. Oh, wait. Is Java and C++ similar? So, no. I mean, no. They're actually pretty far apart from each other. One is pretty low level. C++ has a high level abstraction. You still have classical object-oriented programming in C++. Java is more really object-oriented, right? Everything's an object in Java, including numbers and literals and things like that, where C++ is a little different. We're doing Snake again. Yep, we sure are. Your error answered it. Oh, wait, you already answered it. Yeah, I did. My original answer was just me complaining about Java, though. I didn't feel like I compared. I don't feel like I compared the two. You just answered the same question 2 times. I did answer. You're right. I addressed. So I need it to say images example 1, right? Hold on. Actually, let's do this. Where is it? So wait, I thought. Oh, I need to move it. I need to move it still. Okay. Here we go. CD. Wait. L. MV. What is it called? Example 1 to heater. CD heater. Okay. Let's do mkdir images. MV example 1 to images. All right. Images example 1.png. I'm pretty sure that'll work. All right. Let's see if we can get status. Git added readme and example image. No. Whoa. Let's see here. How much money are those? Are those what? Epic Bloxpo. Gifted party hats probably doesn't show in your feed. It doesn't. Oh, I just saw Zergio. Thank you. I didn't. It was really small. Also, I didn't see the pop-up because I had my giant window covering all my notifications. I just see it. There we go. Zergio, thank you for the party hat. Appreciate it. My gratitudes to you. Appropriate gift for the situation. It's Kyle's birthday. Last C walkthrough, you kept screwing up the memory, corrupting the data silently. I did. I did. That sounds about right. Thank you, Zergio. Appreciate it. All right, now I've got my windows in the right spot, so I won't miss anything in the end. All right, git status, git push, origin main. Now let's see if we got everything there. Let's see. We should see a nice little screenshot. CD heater, git status. Here, let's do another git commit here. Git commit. This is actually pretty nice. I didn't know that Git would allow you to do this really easily. That's fine though. We're good to go. Okay, so I want git status, git. Let's do a push. Okay, now it should be in the spot. There we go. In the picture. Oh, it's not showing up. Okay. Did I get it wrong? Images, example. Oh, PNG. That's why. Let me double check. Open. Yep, we're good to go. Looks good to me. I'll probably do git commit am fixed image example path. Push to main. Okay. Now we've got a pretty picture. Hey, there we go. There we go. That's what I'm looking for. PyTorch heatmap visualizer for 2D tensor matrix. Perfect to me. So you get your heat map and you can visualize layers. You can visualize outputs. You can visualize vectors. You can do all those things. 3D though, this is not for 3D. Thank you for the party poppers. The 3D would be a little too far. All right, for 1D and 2D tensors. So now I just need to add in a little bit of extra goodness to make it PyPI ready. Let's make it PyPI ready. All right, we need, what is the file that you need? I think it's like, there's some sort of conf file. Visualizing FFT frequency domain, how? Wait. I mean, it's just gonna take the float. It's really simple. It might not be as complex as you think it is. It's literally just taking a tensor, 1D or 2D, and giving you the output on screen as a pretty picture, right? Like this. You can also do a pretty gradient if you want, like that. A pretty gradient, which we should, let me copy this folder over here really quick. All right, 1 second. Grab this. This is the other screenshot, example 2. And then we will move this to the folder if we can make it work. Let's see here. Where was that at? Was PyTorch embedding. Where's it at? Here it is. There it is. I need the screen to be a little bit bigger. There we go. Hold on. Wait. Do I want that one? Or do I want this one? That one's better. Okay. Perfect. Okay. That's good enough for now. Now we should see the second example here. So we got our first heat map. And we got our second heat map. This is great. I like it. Okay. So how do we add in... I want to add in... Let's go Gemini. I want to see... what file needed for Python package PyPI publish. TOML. So we need a PyProject TOML. Here we go. Let's do pb paste into pyproject.toml by Pi. Here we go. We're going to call requires. We don't have any requirements. Build system. We don't need a build system. This is going to be called heater. Call it 10. Hold on. Let's close this real quick. This will be better if we do it this way around. PyProject TOML. Okay. I want to... Oh, wait. I needed that other window open because it's got some stuff I wanted to copy paste from it. Here we go. PyTorch Heatmap Visualizer for 1D vectors and 2D matrix tensors. Heatmap Visualizer that I was really looking forward to, and I really wanted some other library out there to do it. And this is the input that I wanted. I wanted it to be like this. See? Really simple. You've got your tensor, and then you've got plot. Done. Easy. That's what I wanted. I wanted exactly that. And it didn't exist. Not in the way that I wanted it. And I wanted it to be pretty, fast, lightweight, without dependencies, and it didn't exist. If you're planning to requires you to pop open some sort of extra window, I wanted it to be in the terminal. Wanted the UI in terminal window. Matplotlib plus ImageCat. Ooh, I haven't heard about that. What about Kotlin? Kotlin is great. Kotlin's fantastic. I like Kotlin. Matplotlib to generate PNGs and pipe to ImageCat. That would also work. That would also work. We decided to build it ourselves, though, this time. I know, right? The wheel already exists. Build the wheel anyway. Rebuild the wheel. All right. So we got a bunch of to-do items. So we did the new GitHub repo just now. We're doing good so far. We did some examples. We almost did this. This is almost done. Let me see if we can grab that there. Also, we should update this in the right file here. Here we go. Here we go. Oh, and we should also do cleanup. We got the new GitHub repo up. We got the GitHub repo up right there. We got the examples in the README. So we got 2 examples, which we need more. I'm going to say more examples. More examples in the README. I think we got enough for now. We got an initial amount. And then we're going to create a package here by, let's see where we're at here. So we're by PyProject. We need to finish this. We do need PyTorch though, right? So I need pip freeze, 1 second. Pip freeze grep torch. I need torch this one. I need torch that one. Okay. Perfect. Okay. Torch. It doesn't exactly need to be 2.9. I would say 2.0 greater than? No. There we go. Greater than. Perfect. Okay. It needs to be torch 2.0. Probably. Yeah, right. Probably. And we don't really need torch. We don't really need torch. It could be NumPy though. It could be a NumPy. So that would make it better. Here's what we should do. We should add NumPy support. NumPy support as NumPy support project URL is going to be this here. Got the URL, dependencies, though I don't think I want to remove this. It should have no dependencies. How's it going there? Rival Sebastian, welcome on in. Thank you for clicking the hi button. Good to have you here. Happy Wednesday. All right, I think we've got everything I need. And then I'll publish off stream. Let me see here. Or maybe we could publish it now. Should we publish it now? I don't know. Let's find out. Remove dependencies. All right. Let's see. Remove all depths. Do we even use that in heater? Hold on. By heater underscore init. Okay. Do we use torch? Oh, we do. Why? Oh, we actually don't need torch. We don't. Oh, no, we do. Right here. Ah, okay. I see what's going on. All right, I think we'll just keep it like that for now. Heater, here we go. Looks good to me. Okay. So we got a bunch of to-do items. Scale gradient to fit window. What if we publish this? Let's see if we can publish this right now. Let's go ahead and make it public. All right, so. All right. Command to publish to PyPI. I might have to do some extra stuff off stream. Yep. Okay. Do we have to use UV? Can we use pip? How did I do this earlier? There's twine. I don't want to use twine. Do I have UV? I don't know if I have UV. I just don't use it very often. Apparently I do. All right. UV build. If you're using UV, the process streamlined in a single tool. UV publish, check. UV publish token. So I need a token. Can I do it without a token? UV build. Oh, CD heater. So that we'll call this the UV build and PyPI publish. Building. Oh, hey, we did it. Look at that. All right, get status. All right, modified init. All right, heater dot. Do we want to? Do we need to commit that by heater? Do we need to? It's just text files. I think we're fine. Okay. Let's see. Yeah, you have it. We have it. We added license and Pi project TOML for publishing package to PyPI, you guys. Push to the main. No, you didn't see that. Git push origin main. Clean. We're just gonna do some cleanup here. A little bit of cleanup. Don't need that. Don't need that. Oh, we need this. We need that. All right. And I would like to redraw this since shades don't matter anymore. Double check where we are here on our list. Okay, we're doing good on our list. Okay, good. Excellent. All right. So this is our actual themes. We need more. We need more themes. We could do rainbow. I would like to do rainbow theme. So we could do red, green, blue. We need all the colors of the rainbow, right? Let's do rainbow colors. All right, so let's do all the colors of the rainbow. All rainbow colors. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet. Okay. So it should look like this. Let's do rainbow. Rainbow. Brightness an irrelevant feature. It was because now what we're doing is with this new approach. Thank you, Torva. It's now doing full red, green, blue. So brightness is no longer necessary. So we have to eliminate that. Let's get rid of that now because y'all have mentioned it. And since we don't need this, let's get rid of this. And then keep this. We don't need lightness anymore. We just need the specific element here. We just need this guy right here. All right, let's grab that char code right there. And we are going to put it right here. We're going to delete this. Perfect. Now it's faster. A smidge faster. Our shade function, that's really clean. We need this to be red, green, blue. Let me put these colors in here 1 second. So let's just put everything to 0 real quick. All right. Red, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, we need 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. So red, 255. Does that, can we do, Okay, let's see here. Red, and see, green. How do we do orange? 128, right? Red, orange, yellow. 255, 255. And then green. Red, green, blue. And then 255, 128. And then 255, 255. Let's try that. We need to change the theme real quick. I'm just gonna close this off. All right. I want to open up the themer. Where's the themer? Model file. Theme will be rainbow. Actually, you know what? Just for the fun of it. All right, let's do rainbow. Hey, there we go. That's what I'm looking for. Linear space. We did it. Where are we at here? Get status. Get add. Get commit am. Wait, did we do a full cleanup? Let's see here. I think we fully cleaned it up. So let me see. Got our shade, our theme, plot. Okay, that's clean enough. That's clean enough. I'm gonna count it. All right, let's mark that as a green check mark for clean. And commit. We cleaned up package. Boom, done. Integrate into Discord. Hey, Discord would be great. It'll get used a lot. Okay, you guys, thank you so much for joining today. I had a lot of fun. We're wrapping up now. I'm gonna head out and go do some other work things. I want to publish this, and I'll publish this because we had our token, right? So it was asking for a token. And